So today I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI fashion brand campaigns. If you own an e-commerce shop or you sell outfits or fashion clothing, or you want to start a brand, then this is how you use AI content to generate those images. So in Meeoown Studio, you can go to workflows and we can go to create your influencer. So we're going to build an AI influencer who can act as our model. You can see there's presets here. So let's go with beauty. Let's stretch this. Then you can select the age and fill out all of this. Next step, face shape. But I'm not too interested in this at the moment, so I am just going to go through this. Yep. Next step. Right, so what this is going to do is going to generate me an AI influencer, which I can use all the time for my brand, for modeling shoots, and then you're going to see me put outfits on the AI influencer. Now, this can also be used if you want to create your own AI influencer for Instagram, or you want to dress them up, you want to make them look a certain way, as people do monetize this all the time and they are making money from it. So here's my AI influencer, as you can see. Right, now what we want to do is we want to get any picture from the internet, like Pinterest or something like that. This is how you want your AI influencer to look like. So we will then go to workflows and we will go to digital twin. Now what you do is you tap your headshot and you tap the image that you want your AI influencer to be in. So I'm just going to click this as the reference. I am going to do 3x4 and then I'm going to hit generate. So what this is going to do, digital twin recreates your headshot. This could be actually a picture of your own headshot, or as you just saw, the AI influencer that I created. Now it's going to recreate the image, but in a different way. So it's never going to be identical to the image that you put in. That's why you can get these images off Instagram or Pinterest or wherever you like. This was the image I used. Right. So there we go. Nice studio ready shot. This is my AI influencer. You can actually see. Let me just bring them both up. Click preview. So that's the headshot of my AI influencer that I just created. And this is the image of the digital twin. As you can see, let me just show you. This is the image that it replicated in a different way. And this is the outcome. So you can see you don't even have to prompt anymore. It's literally whatever you find, whatever ideas you have in your mind, you can recreate in a different way. But obviously what we're going to do with this, we're going to change the outfit, which I'm going to show you in a second. So now we are going to get our outfit. Let's use Polly as an example. Let's go with this dress. Right, so what you're going to do is when you have your outfit that you want to put on the model, this outfit should be either you wearing it or someone who's already wearing the outfit. What this does is it gives the AI the exact fit of how it should look on someone. Now this is very important because if you put a static flat lay image, it won't know the length of the item of clothing. So one thing that I noticed is always have it wear on someone or you. It could be a basic image of you against the wall, however you want. Doesn't have to be important. So as you can see here, all I want is the outfit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to virtual try on, and this is going to open up a new node. So the virtual try on node, it has top, bottom, one piece, outwear, shoes, accessories, sunglasses. So you can literally choose any one of these items or combine them, do whatever you like. Then we are going to hit our main image, which is the model. So we load that up there. And now this is a one piece. So we're going to select the one piece just like that. And we're going to use Nano Banana 2. So what we will do is 3x4. And then you can actually choose e-com, behind the scenes, billboard campaign, editorial, or you can type in additional instructions. Now, I just want it to be like the existing image, but with distress on. So what I'm going to do is hit generate. This is very simple. So if you are not using AI for your brand or your shop, or reaching out to brands and selling this as a service, then you're losing out on a massive opportunity. Before this, to do any sort of e-commerce shooting, this would literally cost thousands, hundreds, just to get the model, makeup, hairstylist, a studio, a photographer, and now it can literally all be done in one Meeoown Studio. This is your creative workspace, and obviously it can go on and on and on, and you can just carry on until you get the most perfect editorial shots or whatever you have in your imagination. You do not have to be a graphic designer to know what this does. Right, so let me get you a preview of preview, and there's the dress on the model. As you can see, exactly the same. Now, if we really want to be picky, we can do some changes and we can say remove the bag, but however, it actually looks quite cool and it matches. So now we have that. I'm going to show you another trick. I am now going to show you how to generate a full campaign out of this. So we go to workflows, we choose Instagram carousel. Let's put this over here. Right, Instagram carousel. What this does now, it's a consistent image generator. So what it will do, it's going to keep the scene consistent, and it's going to generate me 5 images of the same scene, same outfit and same influencer that I chose. Now you can imagine in a variety of different situations how this can be used for Instagram posts if you're an influencer, or if you want the same scene, different camera angles, different poses, and I'm going to show you right now exactly how that works. So the hero scene image, that's what we just took. So we're going to use that. Then we want to get our headshot over here. So to keep the character consistent, we want to use the same headshot. Now we are just going to click generate. You can type in custom settings, custom instructions. So if you want a certain type of pose maybe, and then hit generate. Perfect. So it's generated me 5 scenes. Let me show you. 1 image, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now literally, let me just show you where we started. So we started from this one shot over here, put the outfit on, and ended up with 5 images. Technically we have 6. So let me go through everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the outfit, and then we do the influencer preview. Right, so we started with the AI influencer. We then had the outfit, shoot 1, shoot 2, shoot 3, shoot 4, shoot 5, shoot 6. Now, I don't think people are understanding how you can really sell this as a service to businesses or use this for your own business. It's actually crazy how this works. Never before in history was you able to do this. And the speed I've just done it in, which has literally taken me no longer than 10 minutes. Now you can understand how you can get creative with this. You can even turn it into a video. You can turn it into more images. You can change the background. You can do anything you like. Fine. So if you want to learn more on how to do this, then you can always check for my school or drop me a message and I can teach you more in depth. Or if you have any questions, just ask away. There's literally so many things you can do with AI now. It's actually insane. I've literally just made a campaign from this website, Opoly, this shoot, right, this outfit here, and I literally made it in 10 minutes, all because of Meeoown's nodes. So it makes it very simple. I did not prompt, I did not type anything in at all. And I built my own AI influencer.